how the storage rack comes right out of the box. You have all your pieces on the inside, just like that. You have 3 of these and these. I did not see an instruction manual on how to put this together. Yes, it did not come with one, so we're just going to figure this out. So first of all, I'm going to put these little wheels on. So I'm just going to push these in like so. So that's the first step. Then I'm going to take these. Okay, I think this is at the very. I'm going to take this ones. I'm going to face everything inwards, so when the outwards, it's going to be nice and smooth. I'm going to push this back so you guys can see like what I'm doing. So that's the first one. And then I'm going to push this on top of this. So just make sure you're pushing kind of hard, because it does take a little bit of force to get these to go in. So just like that. And then we're going to get a small one. We're going to attach it right here. Place another one of these on. Okay, so that one's on. Just got to get that one on. And you're going to do another small one. Both sides. Just like that. Again, put this one on. 2 more small ones. And then you're going to put the last piece, which is this right here. And then that's pretty much what you're left with. Now, I am a homeschool mom. Right now I have 3 kids in school. So what I plan on using this for is I'll put their schoolwork on one side, and I'll put like maybe a label or something right here. And then I'll put everything that they're going to need, like their pencils, crowns, all of that up here. And if they need anything else, I can put it down here. And then once they're done, we can turn it around. And then they can put it on this side to let me know that they've completed their work. So that's kind of what I'm planning on using it for. You could also use it to just organize the books that they're going to use for each day. It just really depends on what you want. That's my idea for this. And it does roll around. Let me go ahead and show you on the floor. It's slim. You can roll it around. It's really cute. So that's what it looks like. It's made out of like a hard plastic. And so it's not going to take up a lot of room. Like you can set it up against the wall and you can see it's not going to mess with your walkway or anything. It's just going to be really good for school use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.